Yo! What's up guys? Welcome back sa Insightful Thinker. Today, I've got 10 useless facts na parang snack. Hindi mo kailangan pero once you taste it, you'll keep it in your brain like a snack. So sit back, relax at maghanda na magulat kasi after this video, hindi mo na to makakalimutan. Let's go! Number 10. Bananas are berries. Pero strawberries, hindi.
What?
Did you know banana is a berry? Pero strawberry, sorry. Kung date mo mahilig sa fruit, sabihan mo ng science fact na ganito. Sigurado weird vibes agad. At baka hindi na maulit yung date nyo. Number 9. Wombat poop is cube shape. Square ang dumi ng wombat, parang Lego block. Kung ganun din tayo, baka may DIY poop tower na pwedeng i-stock. Pero seriously, kaya cube para hindi gumulong. Imagine kung rolling poop sa paligid, naku wag na lang. Number 8. Octopus have 3 hearts. 3 hearts, 3 beses mas madaling ma-broken hearted. Kapag iniwan ng jowa, hindi lang isa, 3 sabay ang nasaktan. Mas complicated. Good news lang, 2 heart humihinto kapag lumalangoy. So kung iniwan ka, chill ka na lang. At least hindi ka octopus boy. Number 7. A day in Venus is longer than a year. Sa Venus, isang araw mas mahaba pa sa isang taon natin. Parang paghintay mo sa reply ng crush mo sa phone. One day I reply, sabi niya with cheer. Ang hindi niya sinabi, Venus time pala. See you next year. Number 7. More stars in the universe than grains of sand on earth. Kung sa tingin mo, maliit problema mo, think again. Kasi mas maliit ka pa kaysa sa buhangin sa beach na may katapat na trillion stars sa heaven. So kapag stress ka, look at the sky and say, okay lang, at least hindi ako microscopic fly. 5. Sharks existed before trees. Sharks are OG. Sila ang tunay na lodi. 400 million years, walang kahati. No trees, no shade, pero sharks already slayed. So kung feeling mo ancient ka, sorry dude, sharks beat you by a cascade. Number 4. Sloths can hold their breath longer than dolphins. 40 minutes kaya ng sloth, parang chill na tamad sa spot. When dolphin says, I'm fast, I'm slick, sasabihin naman ng sloth, bro, I can nap underwater, you're weak. So kung lagi kang late, baka hindi ka tamad, baka sloth ka lang, underwater squat. Number 3. A cloud can weigh more than 1,000,000 pounds. Clouds look fluffy, parang cotton candy, pero ang totoo, sobrang bigat nila. 1,000,000 pounds of water in the sky. Wow. Parang kaibigan mong happy face, pero deep inside, so super bigat na pala ng dala. Number 2. Your stomach gets a new lining every 3 to 4 days. Kung hindi, matutunaw ka sa sarili mong acid blaze. Imagine mo, tiyan mo parang Netflix subscription. Auto renew every 3 days. So kung sawa ka na sa buhay mo, huwag ka mag-alala, at least tiyan mo never nagsasawa mag-refresh ng lining niya. Number 1. Honey never spoils. Honey is forever. Parang love ng nanay sa'yo. Na-discover sa loob ng tombs ng Egypt na may taong 3,000 years is still good as new, bro. So kung wala kang ulam, huwag kang matakot. Baka may honey pa sa bowl ni Lola na hindi pa expired. Jackpot yun. At may bonus pa tayong isa. You can't burp in space. Burping in space, sorry, wala yan place. Kasi walang gravity. Liquid at gas magkasama sa tummy. So kung mag-burp ka, hindi lang hangin ang lalabas, may extra pa sa lubong pa. Lesson learned, huwag kang uminom ng coke kung astronaut ka. Baka maging first ka sa history na mag-mess burp shot. So ayan mga ka-insightful thinkers, 10 useless fact plus 1 bonus track. Hindi mo kailangan sa buhay, pero ngayon, na-stuck na sa utak mo. Pero, here's the real talk. Minsan parang ganito ang life. Yung maliit, random, at akala mong walang kwenta, sila palang nagbibigay tawa, kulay, at aral sa buhay natin. So, this is Insightful Thinker reminding you, never underestimate the little things. They might be useless now, but priceless later. Kung nag-enjoy ka, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga facts na useless pero unforgettable. Peace.